Well, we decided on the 84 here. We decided on going ahead and just getting the engine out of here, because after a couple times trying to play around with it and everything, it pretty much got tiring. So we're just going to move right on to disconnecting everything so we can yank this engine and transmission out of here, because more than likely I'm going to have to open it up a little bit to some degree. Hopefully not a full-blown rebuild, but I am going to have to go into it some. So we're going to go ahead and start getting everything disconnected and get the crane hooked up right here and snatch this stuff out. Alright, we're now ready to hoist this engine out. Got everything hooked up, crane's in position, chains are on the carb plate. Hopefully these studs holding the carb down are going to hold out, because I don't have any grade A bolts in there. Hopefully all this stuff will hold out long enough for me to get everything out. Already put a lot of the parts in the back here to get that stuff out of the way, including the hood. And we got our winch point set up over there with the power winch so we can pull this truck back as we work the engine out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit out of here. Let's do it.